Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to send from Revolut to GCash. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, the first thing that we have to do here, or we have to learn first, is if it's actually possible for us to actually send money from Revolut to GCash. So the simple answer is I think this is not possible as of this moment. So the best thing that we could do here is use a third party. So in this case, we'll be using Wise. So Wise is a great tool and website or company where you could actually transfer your money securely. So in this case, go ahead and go to wise.com or install Wise on your mobile device and create an account. Now, once you've created your account, we want to first create our recipient. So let's just click on recipient here, and we want to click on add recipient. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and choose myself or someone else here, depending who you are sending this one. So let's just use myself here for this example, and we want to use Philippine peso here. So let's just search for Philippine peso. And once you've seen Philippine peso here, you want to choose e-wallet. Since GCash is an e-wallet, go ahead and select e-wallet as GCash. And from here, you need to enter your e-wallet number. So in this case, your e-wallet number is going to be your number. So it's going to start with 0 and the rest of your number. Now, once you've created your recipient, you are now ready to make your transaction. Also, for you to completely finish your transaction here, you also have to have a Revolut card for this one. So your Revolut card is going to be the one that you'll be using as the payment method for you to complete your transaction. But then again, once you've added your recipient, just proceed on sending money. So just click on send money button that you see here. And we want to choose GBP here since we're sending from Revolut. And from here, we want to click on continue. Now, once you've done that, you need to choose the recipient that you just recently added. So in this case, let's just use this recipient just to give you an example. And from here, it's going to say use your phone to verify your identity. So you have to verify yourself first for you to be able to proceed to the next step. So go ahead and just verify yourself. And from there, you'll be reviewing the transaction itself. So you'll be reviewing the amount as well as the recipient details or the details of the recipient that's going to be the one receiving the money. And from there, finally, you'll be redirected to the pay section. Will you be able to pay for the transaction and finally complete your transaction? So be sure that in the pay section you use your Revolut card as a payment method. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.